I've made myself over $74,000 by selling digital products in the online space. And if you're in Nigeria right now, with the current exchange rate, you actually see that this particular amount of money is over 100 million naira I made selling digital products in the past year. And I mean, this is just for last year alone. Now, in this particular video today, I actually would say nothing other than this is really the best time to start productizing your business right now. Because the earlier you get to figure out how to productize your business, the better for you to actually create another arm of your business and start making money from that particular angle. Now, if you check up on my screen here, this is a couple of screenshots of withdrawals I've done. $10,000 right here, $10,000 right here, $10,000 again, $50,000 as well, and a couple of other millions I've made for myself selling to the Nigerian markets. And this goes to show you that I sell internationally and also locally, and my products, it actually goes to different people in different parts of the world. But in this particular video today, I'm going to take a deep dive and break down the exact same step-by-step process that I've actually used to earn this amount of money for myself. And as well, I get to show you the step-by-step guide on how you can also start productizing your business and creating digital products from what you really have and make cool cash from it every single day. Now, this basically would mean that all you actually have to do right now is to follow through this particular video and watch it step by step, because if you do so, you are going to be able to craft up your own digital products in the next 48 hours. Now, during the course of this particular video, there are going to be a couple of timestamps so that you can obviously get to skip to any part of this video that you actually would need more reference on, or you have more priority to focus on. Okay, now before we get started, one of the major things that we actually are looking at achieving, especially in the new year, is creating digital products. Now, in order to get started here, there is a big question: what exactly is digital products? Now, firstly, I'm going to say that most of us have accessed one digital product or the other, but maybe we don't even know this is what is called digital products. Now, digital products is any products that you can access with your digital device. Yes, with your e-device, it could be your mobile phone, it could be your laptop, it could be your tablet, whatever it is. As far as you're going to be able to access this with your digital device, that is already a digital product. And in the category of digital products, we have things like online courses, we have ebooks, we have templates, we have printables, we have digital arts, we have music, we have audio, we have video content, stock photos, presets, and a couple of others within this category. It is so very much endless. And because it is an endless category, this also gives you an opportunity to create endless products within this space. You can even have softwares or even memberships, which are all digital products that you can actually create. But the sweetest part of this is the fact that you are able to create this product and you can make big money from it. You see, in the past couple of years, we've actually seen that the statistics of people who are coming online has actually been on the increase. Like, it has been on a steady increase. And because of this, simply, it also gives you the opportunity to figure out how best you can actually start moving your business to the online space. That is exactly what it is, right? Now, with this in mind, we're going to be starting out with the very first thing you actually would want to do if you're looking at setting up your own digital product, okay? Now, the very first thing here is identify your niche and problem, okay? Now, in this category, there are three major subs underneath. One is to find your audience, right? Now, this is where you're looking out for, okay, fine, this is exactly what I do, this is exactly what I can do, and I need to figure out who exactly is those set of people, or those set of people that most probably will be interested in what I already have doing, right? Number two is now also streamline the problem you're looking at solving. Because obviously, we both know that the people who are going to be your target audience obviously have a problem, and this is exactly where we are now going to be looking at the problem that we are going to be solving. And obviously, this is exactly where we start creating our digital product from, because we are looking at solving people's problem. So that is, we are creating solutions of your target audience's problems, right? Now, once this has been done, the next thing you actually want to figure out is how exactly do you want to deliver your digital products? Now, this is actually very important, because if you don't actually figure out the best way to deliver a digital product, then there's going to be a very high chance that you would not be able to pass across the information or help people solve their problem effectively. Now, for those of you guys that are actually going to be thinking of how you can actually set up a product or how to create a product at all, I'll be giving you guys a product for series of niches that would really help you to build out something. So for example, if you're a fitness trainer and you're looking at people who are actually struggling with their workout routines, you can actually create a 7-day home workout plan or a meal prep guide for beginners. Now, if you're a freelancer and for example, your audiences are having problem with fleshing out their proposals for freelancing, you can come up with a full guide on how to actually get to create better proposal. Now, this can actually come in form of an ebook or a swipe file or something. Now, at the same time, if you're a small business owner and you have people that are struggling with social media ideas, you can actually develop a 30-day social media content calendar or an Instagram reel prompt that business owners can actually access. This can come in form of a template, a pack, or an ebook. And lastly, if you are a food blogger, for example, and your audiences are having problem with home cook, need easy, healthy recipes, you can actually come up with a digital product that you can actually create and then offer a solution around quick and healthy recipe books or a meal planner. Now, this can actually come in form of or a printable that you can actually get to give out to your audience. Now, what I actually shared right now, a couple of different issues, different problems from the audiences, and also different solutions that you can actually get to create to help the audiences in this particular, categories. And this simply will just help you to be able to craft out this digital product with ease. Now, once I've been able to identify the medium with which I'm going to be able to pass on this digital product, the next thing is to start to create. Now, a very good example here is if I'm actually going to be creating an online course, I would simply go ahead and on Canva, I can easily access maybe a PowerPoint, which I can just use to create a PowerPoint slide. And once I'm done creating a PowerPoint slide, I can actually use a couple of other tools like my laptop recorder or screen recorders to record my voice into this PowerPoint slide while I slide through this presentation and I get to voice it over. And another case, if it's an ebook, for example, I can also use Canva to do this. Or even if it's a printable or a template, Canva is actually one simple tool that can actually get to create as many things that you would actually want in this particular case. And this is exactly why I created a full guide on how to start using Canva even as a single beginner. That particular video is right here, right now. Now, once you've been able to create a digital product, then the very one next step you actually want to do is to figure out how exactly you can sell this digital product. Now, one of the things I try to look out for is making sure I'm able to sell my digital product through a channel that not only allows me to sell locally, but also allows me to sell internationally. And at the same time, it also gives me the different variants of the type of products that I can actually create. For example, I have an online course, I have an ebook, I have some printables, I have some templates, and I really want to sell any of these products. I love to choose a platform that actually gets me to do that. And one of the tools I actually use in this particular case is useallies.com. Because when you go over to Use Allies, you are going to be able to simply create your account and you can actually start hosting your courses and selling, hosting and selling your digital product as well, and a couple of other areas with which, if you are even a course creator or a coach, or you want to create a membership site, you can actually get to create a community as well in this very case. Now, I'm going to be leaving a link to Use Allies for you guys down in the description below so that you can actually go ahead and jump on this particular website and set up an account for yourself right now. But then these guys will actually allow you to get paid in Nigerian Naira and also in USD. So if you're selling in any part of the world, you are able to receive foreign currency from up there. Like this particular online course I'm currently selling in this very space, you can see that I'm able to actually select what currency, whether NGN or USD, right? And I'm selling this particular product right now, and people can easily just enroll and make purchase for this particular product online, right? So Use Ally is actually that particular solution that any of us might actually need. Now, once you've been able to set up this particular platform where you're able to sell your digital product, then the next thing you actually want to focus on is the marketing. Now, this is actually the very most important aspect of all of this, because it is important to actually are able to create our digital product. It's important to actually upload it. But then guys, if you do not figure out how to market your product, then obviously you have almost wasted a lot of your time and energy putting into something that will not amount to anything. Now, when it comes to marketing, what I usually would focus on is actually setting up Facebook ads. Why? Because yes, it is a paid marketing, but then I'm able to start getting quick traffic to my product and at the same time, I am able to actually start getting conversions as quick as possible. But then guys, on the other hand, some people actually take the other route of going the organic way, where they want to focus on pushing this to their immediate community. Yes, because a couple of us already have existing communities, we already have existing clients, we already have existing, our customers that we have, and these people obviously would want to get access to our digital product once it has been created. So that might actually be a very good route to go. Push it to your immediate community, and when they've actually gotten this particular product and all, you can actually go ahead and set up ads on Facebook and start pushing out Facebook. Now for this, I actually have set up a step-by-step guide on how you can actually set up a high converting Facebook ad for yourself. That particular video is right here. But if you're actually watching this particular video to this point and you are still confused, or you still have a couple of concerns, or you actually have some questions to ask, you still want more of like a handheld walkthrough on how to set up your own digital product, productizing your business, digitalizing your business, and making cool cash from it, then obviously I actually have a full program where I'm going to walk you through exactly how I do these things for myself, and how I've made thousands of dollars in the online space using this very simple method. And like I said earlier, it is actually very cheap and very fast to set up a digital product for your business. And this is a simple walkthrough, but then you can easily go ahead and use the second link down in the description to jump on my program, where I'll actually show you exactly how to do this with you, and also help you set up everything that will actually start fetching your cool cash for yourself from the digital space. Okay, but at the same time guys, if you have other concerns or questions, do well to ask in the comment section below, and I'll follow through with every of your concerns and your questions as well. Now make sure before you skip this particular video, you actually go ahead and give it a thumbs up if you like it, and subscribe to the channel, smashing the bell icon so that you do not miss any of my videos. With this guys, I'll be seeing you in my next video. Peace.